Hello kids, in this video we are gonna see how to find the greatest common divisor of two numbers by the optimal method. Okay, there are a couple of methods. We are gonna do the optimal method. So we are gonna find, as an example, the greatest common divisor of 180 and 255. Okay, so first thing, we factor the numbers, prime factor the numbers. So we start with 180. 180 is an easy number to factor with the tree method. So we are gonna do a tree. We split 180 as 18 times 10. Now 18 is 9 times 2, and 10 is 2 times 5, and now 9 is 3 times 3, and the other numbers are prime. So we have already factored 180 as 2 square. We have 2 times the factor 2, so 2 square, 3 square, and 5. So that is 180. And now we are gonna factor 255. 255 we can do it the regular way with the line, and we start dividing. Well, the first divisor, it could be any. I mean, usually we pick the prime divisor starting by the lowest, which would be 3 in this case. This is divisible by 3 because if we add the digits, is 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So we could divide by 3, but I think it's easier dividing by 5 here. So I'm gonna start with 5, and I will divide by 3 but later. To divide by 5 is very easy because just you take away here the last digit, 25.5, and multiply that by 2. That's a way of dividing by 5. Move the decimal point one place to the left, and then multiply this by 2. 25.5 times 2 is 51. So dividing by 5, that's 51. Okay, and now it's not divisible by 5 anymore, so it has to be 3. So 51 divided by 3, that would be 5 divided by 3, which is 1, remainder 2, and 7 divided by 3, which is 21. So it would be 17, which is a prime number, 17. So the only divisor beside 1 is itself. So we have 255, which is 5 times 3 times 17. So that is 5 times 3 times 17. And now, to find the greatest common divisor, what we do is pick the common factors. The common factors is only 3 and 5. 3 and 5, as you can see. 3 is here, and 5 is here and here. So pick the common factors. I'm gonna put them here. 5 and 3. And those factors that have an exponent, 3 has an exponent here, exponent 2, we pick the one with the lowest exponent. So we don't pick this exponent, but this one, exponent 1, okay? 5 doesn't have an exponent, that means it is exponent 1 on both numbers. So we pick 5 and we pick 3. As it has exponent 2 and exponent 1 here, we pick the one with the lowest exponent. So that is the greatest common divisor. That is 15. Our greatest common divisor, the highest number that divides exactly both 180 and 255.